If you are planning to watch Dhamal 4 for non-stop laughter, I have bad news for you. The biggest problem with this movie is that a film called Dhamal barely has any Dhamal. It's more of a treasure hunt than a comedy. So yes, Dhamal 4 is finally here with Inder Kumar returning to direct the fourth film in the franchise. And honestly, the expectations were very simple. We just wanted a crazy, silly, laugh out loud entertainer, but sadly that's exactly where the film disappoints. The story revolves around a hidden treasure and Ajay Devgan along with the rest of the gang sets off on a wild adventure to find it. There are jungle sequences, action sequences, chases and a lot happening on screen, but very little of it is actually funny. The first half of the film feels surprisingly slow. Many scenes go on much longer than they should, and most of the jokes either don't land or feel outdated. You keep waiting for that classic Dhamal madness to kick in, but it never really does. Thankfully, the second half is a little better. The climax has a few genuinely funny moments that finally remind you of the franchise you came to watch. But by then, the movie has already taken too long to get there. Now talking about the actors' performances, Ajay Devgan does a decent job and handles his role well. Arshad Varsi and Javed Jafri once again bring that familiar energy that fans love. Ritesh Deshmukh is too good while Sanjay Mishra manages to steal a few scenes with his comic timing. But here's the biggest issue. The cast is incredibly talented, yet the writing doesn't give them enough to work with. You can clearly see the potential, but the script never fully uses it. It almost feels like the actors are trying harder than the jokes themselves. The direction also misses the balance. Instead of focusing on comedy, the film spends too much time on the adventure. Bigger locations, bigger action, bigger scale, but somehow very few laughs. And that's a strange choice for a franchise that became famous because of its comedy. The music is clearly forgettable. Nothing really stays with you once you leave the theatre. The background score works in places, but there's no song that you'll remember later. If you've grown up watching the earlier Dhamal films, you will naturally compare this one with them. And that's where the latest film struggles the most. It has a few entertaining moments, but not enough to match the madness and fun that made the franchise so popular in the first place. So, Dhamal 4 isn't a terrible film, but it's definitely a disappointing comedy. If you're just looking for a light family outing and don't expect too many laughs, you might enjoy parts of it. But if you're going and expecting non-stop comedy, you will definitely walk out feeling underwhelmed. I am giving Dhamal 4 2 out of 5 stars. If you've already watched the movie, let me know in the comments, did you like it? Did you actually laugh? Or were you also waiting for the real Dhamal to begin?